Hi guys, so as I already mentioned in my introduction that in this series of videos I will be covering your study schedule. Okay, this study schedule I found in internet itself, so I wanted to share with you guys because I think it is worth sharing with you, because they have divided it into 4 tiers. As you can see, they have just integrated the subjects, and I think if you follow this one, it will be helpful for you to cover the subjects in a quick time if you follow it sincerely. So actually the study time is actually 10 to 12 hours per day. As you can see, they took us 3 hours for morning session, 3 hours in the noon, 2 hours in the afternoon, and like that you can divide it according to your convenience. Also you can flip the subjects as well, but it's better if you follow this like 3 hour session, 3 hour session, 2 hour and 2 hour session. Okay, so as they took first, in if I take it from January 22 to your 12 March, it comes something like this. They took from this medicine is for 3 hours, then tier 2 patho 3 hours, anatomy 2 hours, forensic 2 hours. Okay, and this will continue. Okay, continue till this one, uh, till January 25. Okay, once again, yes. And then from January 26 onwards, January 27 onwards, forensic will be replaced by your pedia, right? And then that will continue. I think if you follow this, you are giving equal weightage to every subjects, right? So continuing this, as you can see here, so by February 1 you will be replacing pediatrics with ENT. Okay, and by February 6 you will be replacing this one ENT with optha, and by February 3rd you will be replacing patho with combat. So I think if I enlarge this one, enlarge the every slides, you can take a screenshot, right? And if you follow this schedule, I think it will be helpful for you. So I'm making this entirely into one slide. Okay, okay, this part I think you can take a screenshot now. And as you can see, they have given high weightage for medicine to and also they kept high weightage for surgery as well, which is good. For anatomy they kept almost 10 days, I think, yes. And for physio same, and just 2 hour session, that is also nice. And for rest subjects like pedia, ENT, they kept 5 days, optha 5 days. Yes, it's okay because these are small subjects, right? Coming back to the next schedule, it is from February 19. Okay, so here also they give high weightage for OBG, as you can see, which is also good because OBG carries almost 35 questions. Okay, community medicine as well. Okay, and then they keep pharma, micro pharma, they gave almost 6-7 days. Okay, micro same. Okay, biochem almost 7 days, anesthesia 4-5 days. Okay, that is okay. They have done they gave equal weightage to all subjects that is required. If you are taking 2 months, this one. Yes, so I was telling that the OBG carries 25 to 30 questions. Okay, and PSM also carries high weightage, right? So you should give this subject some high weightage. And yes, so in this buffer section I will suggest you to take GTs. Okay, you can switch this buffer section with any other subject. If you are strong in anesthesia, you can switch this buffer to anesthesia, and here you can give 1 GT. Actually I suggest you to take at least per week 1 GT at least, okay, because GTs are also important to test, to test yourself, so better you give 1 GT per week. Else in this buffer portion, say if you are good in anesthesia, you take 4 days for anesthesia, and in 1 day you take this buffer portion, and here you give the GT for the subjects which you studied, okay, or you give an entire full syllabus GT. That is more good if you can do that, okay. So this way I think you can manage the study schedule, or you can, if you have made your own, stick to that, okay. All right.